So from the title, I know why you're here. And yes, I did a thing. I got me some red bottoms. Yes. So background real quick. My birthday is January 1st and I'm turning 30 years old. But because of the pandemic, I couldn't really do what I wanted to do. I wanted to go on a cruise to Mexico and then enjoy it for like I guess a week or 5 days or whatever. But like I said, because of the pandemic and because I live home with my mother and because my mother is lupus, she told me, maybe we should reschedule this trip. So I was like, okay, cool. But then I still was gonna go to Mexico, but then the number skyrocketed. And I was like, I don't want to put my mom in jeopardy when I come back or whatever. So I was like, well, guess what? I'm still buying me some Louboutins because I was always gonna buy them anyway, even go on my trip. But I was just like, whatever, I'm gonna buy me some shoes. I'm not gonna hold y'all though. I had already opened this box when they came, and that video was epic fail because I was gonna post that, but that was epic fail. So I'll just show you some clips from that. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. This is my birthday treat to myself and I'm turning 30. Ooh. Yes. I'm about to give y'all a full video. So yeah, I'm sitting down, I'm calmed down, and I'm ready to share with you my shoes. But before we start, real quick, my shoes, I ordered them from Nordstrom, first of all. I didn't know the actual Christian Louboutin website had these same shoes. I don't know. I don't even know how I got on the website for Louboutins. I just know it popped up on my Facebook one day on like, you know how Facebook show you like, I guess stuff you talked about or whatever or think about. And I honestly been thinking about getting some red bottoms. So when I did see that Nordstrom had them, I was just like looking, because I didn't want to get your typical black pair, your typical nude, your typical scallop ones that go like that coming down. I was like, if I'm going to get me some red bottoms, I'm going to get me some red bottoms. I'm going to get something that people barely have or didn't see before. So when I seen these, I was just like, I'm getting these. But then later I found out after I ordered them that they were actually on the website. And I'm kind of mad that I didn't order them off the website because with Nordstrom I didn't get my dust bag, and I'm kind of upset about that. But it's cool because you could go order dust bags or whatever. So I might just do that. And if my dream is to go to Paris. So if I go to Paris, I'll get some dust bags or whatever. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited to share with you my birthday shoes because these are my birthday shoes. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, this is how it came. It came FedEx. But yes, y'all, these are it. These are my shoes. Mine came like this. Everybody else had little fancy bows and stuff. I want to redo. I want my bows. I want my dust bag. I want it all. So, but this ain't gonna be my last pair. This gonna be my first pair. Okay. So my next pair, we gonna see. When you first open the bag, you have a little dust bag. And it has new pair of stoppers on the bottom for the heels. Just in case you break them. Which is actually cool because I did have some shoes that I had broke. I stopped wearing because I broke the heel stopper part. So. Y'all. When I tell you, I'm so excited for you guys. Oh, my shoe. And I wear a size 8, and this is a size 38 and a half. If I were you, this is a suggestion. See, normally I'd be on my shoes, like I'd be like, all right, I do my research, whatever. I did a little bit. I was just so hyped to get these because I had the money. I was like, oh, I'm getting these. I think I would have ordered a 39 because they are a little tight and a little snug. Even though I did order up, I did go up a half a size. I think I would have went up to full size only because my feet are weird. Like my left foot is half a size smaller than my right foot. And then my left foot feels perfect. My right foot is like a little tight, But I have been stretching them and I've been wearing them almost every day around the house and stuff. But yes, y'all, this is my beautiful, my other baby. Shoe is considered a Pigalle Folly, and it says 100 mm, so I guess the heel is 100. The inside, Christian Louboutin Perry. The bottom, woo! I don't know if y'all can see that, Christian Louboutin. Sorry, it's a little dusty because I told you I've been walking around the house. So yeah, this is my beautiful, beautiful shoe. I'm so excited. This is my new shoe. So I'm PSA right now. If y'all see me with these shoes in every picture, mind your business because I'm getting my money's worth. These are not cheap. These are investment. And I'm going to wear these until the red falls off. And guess what? The red isn't going to fall off because your girl ordered some sole guards. And yeah, I'm going to get my money's worth. I'm going to get my money's worth. Here go the other one. It comes with like a little shoe stretcher too. So, but yeah, this is so cute. And it's also like a Japanese inspired. So you get like the little, I like how they had like the little people on the side. And the decor, like this is a really beautiful shoe. Like I don't know if this camera is doing its justice, but in person this is like really, really cute. And it's funny because everybody I had sent the picture for when I first was like, I'm getting me these. It was like, they are, you sure you want them there, whatever. And I'm like, yeah, like they're different. I've never seen anybody with them. And then when they came, everybody's like, yo, these joints is bad. I'm like, I try to tell y'all. These are some cute shoes. He's cute. I like him. I like this shoe. They got the Louboutin on it. They got everything on this joint. It's just different. It's just a different shoe. And that's why I got it. Like, I'm all into, like, being different and, you know. Hold on, babes. But, yeah. And in the front. So, yeah, like, I'm excited. My new shoes, my new shoes. And both shoes are kind of different and not like the same pattern, so that's cool too. Oops, I got backwards. So yep. Yes. Hello, 2021. I'm waiting for you. I am ready. You just need to open up so I could show my shoes, you know. So yeah, like I said, I didn't get my dust bag, which is cool. I didn't get my little fancy bow, which is cool. But I got these, and that's all that matters. So I'm excited. Hope you guys like this video. Enjoy. Yeah, I told you guys what kind of shoe it was. They still do have them on. They don't have them on Nordstrom's. Nordstrom doesn't have these shoes anymore on their website, but Louboutin still have them on their site, but they don't have a lot of size. The big sizes are kind of going, and you know over there they make their shoes small so they make their shoes smaller versus over here. So I guess a lot of people, you know, already bought these, but yeah, get y'all some shoes if you can. If you can afford them, if you can't afford them, do like I did. Save up. I've been saving up since 2017. Since I heard that Bodak Yellow, I said I'm going to get me some shoes. And I got me some of my red bottoms, okay? So, save up if you can.